What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando again for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. Yesterday we were at IAAPA and we had a chance to see the train reveal. It's on our page if you haven't checked it out. But now we're at the park and crews are busy working on the inversion. It's just about done. They have it where the lead out for it is in place, and all they really need to do is just put that top segment in and then it's done. Over here, Airtime Hill looking good, same with the turnaround. And we got to go over to the kiosk. There's something we need to show you there. All right, so I wanted to go over some of the rewards, and we have right now SeaWorld Bucks. There's also a free guest ticket that expires January 2nd. I'm going to be doing the SeaWorld Bucks right there. Probably going to get a nano coaster. And yeah, it's that easy. There you go. Ticket windows do not have a wait at all. Neither did security. And parking was a breeze. And it looks like the front entrance, we're going to be right on in. Pipeline, right here. Again, looking about the same, but that area over there with the inversion, not the same. Definitely some progress. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. It's somewhere in the 80s. Again, warm, but we do have a cold front coming through. It's going to get chilly over the next couple days. Florida winter, somewhere in the 60s. I know, chilly. Christmas music is playing in the park. I don't know if I feel okay with it just yet. Pipeline looking good. You can see the lead out over there now. We'll get a better view once we get over to the bridge. Rubber bloops. It's bridge time. And check it out. The lead out for the inversion right there. Crews are on the ground, trying to put together the remaining pieces to complete that section right there. So hopefully they get that all done, and maybe we'll lift it today. Not sure, they may just get it ready for tomorrow, but look at this. Awesome. Construction ducks. For the sea of trees, well, this one in particular has a very interesting topper. Yet another visit, and sadly, Sky Tower not in operation. Not sure why this time. Icebreaker exit, and again, great views of pipeline.
Head against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice. During ride on Icebreaker, keep your hands, arms, and legs down and
Waterway Grill, and we are heading here again for the pass member lounge, because if you get your pass scanned 3 times between now and December, well, they're going to give you a front of the line pass for pipeline. Yep, this advertisement for Howl-O-Scream is still up. Come on, bring it down, get Christmas celebration up there. And here we are. Infinity Falls, and it's currently in operation with a 5-minute wait. Not bad, considering that it's 80 degrees right now. Waffle Wonderland, we showed you that in our last update, and it's right next to Whitewater Supply, but over here, this is new, and it says Glow Gifts. So I expect we're gonna have light up necklaces, bubble blowers, all sorts of stuff, but that's new. Nautilus Theater, and in previous updates, we showed you this nativity area, and well, it's actually a nativity area now, so they have the figures in place. Looks good. All right, I think I'm losing my mind, but now we have 2 games areas? So we had the one over there, Race to the Surface, and now this one, a bucket toss called Lobster Pots, and you can win big bananas. Mako! Currently showing a 5-minute wait. Most of the coasters do not have much of a wait at all. Icebreaker only had like 2 people on it earlier. That one a little fuller, but yeah, 5-minute wait. Says 15, don't believe it. Sky Tower, and again, we said earlier in the video, it's not in operation. I don't think it's due to high winds, and also the sign, well, needs a little TLC. Man, I'm having a bad day. My fountain's off even. The Candy Cane Heart photo opportunity spot is back, and there's a stage set up over here for, again, something. Not sure what. Alright, so just made a full circle around the park, and good timing as another piece of track is coming in via truck. Alright, so we got the piece rigged up now, and we're about to move it over to the other one. There it goes. Alright, so tension on the straps has been released, and the piece is just sitting next to the other one. Tomorrow, crews will have it where they join them together and then lift both of them into place at the exact same time, completing the inversion. And yes, the construction ducks are having fun. So yes, both cranes are coming down now. It looks like crews are done for the day. So that means tomorrow the inversion will be completed. Ride area is looking awesome. PLC room getting a lot of work right now. And the station area, oh, it's getting built up. It's going to be a wooden platform and all. It'll look really nice. So pretty good progress on pipeline just in the last 2 days. Let's get a better view though from the drone. It wouldn't be a proper ending to our updates without pink chickens. And check it out. We have some babies in here. Some new guys, see? Alright, looks like the pink chicken migration is happening. Alright, so I just found out the names for the babies, Sprinkles and Sundae. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando. For Pipeline the Surf Coaster, crews were working on the lead out, and very soon, as in like tomorrow, we're going to finish the inversion. The layout is looking really good. Crews are working super hard. Of course, we have Manta doing a flyby right now. And you know already we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.